When you're active, your body uses more oxygen than at rest. But this need for extra oxygen doesn't stop when you do. It can continue for many hours, especially following hard exercise. The amount of oxygen you use after an activity, above and beyond your normal resting rate, is called EPOC, which stands for excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. Driving this increased demand for oxygen after an activity is the fact that oxygen fuels the work your body does to repair itself and replenish the resources depleted during exercise. The amount of oxygen used in this way reveals how much work it took to bounce back. The longer and harder your effort, the more restorative work needs to be done, and the higher your EPOC. This makes EPOC a great way to measure the real impact of your activities. Firstbeat capably predicts EPOC by applying mathematical modeling techniques to heartbeat data as it's recorded in real time. EPOC provides the scientific foundation for many of Firstbeat's most popular insights, including training load, training status, aerobic and anaerobic training effects, and recovery time.